Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing another Python problem. So given two ints, a and b return their sum. However, the sums in the range 1 to 19 are forbidden. So in that case, just return 20. So what we do is we check if the sum is between 10 to 19, and if it is, then you return 20. And then else you just return the sum. So then sum equals a plus b. If a plus b in range of 10 to 20 because it is inclusive, then return 20, else return sum. And then that should work. Um, yeah, so let's see their solution. They just basically did the same thing, but they used less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. But I just said if it's in the range of that. Um, yeah.